here, then Miss Blinga, you really come on the internet and when the boy left your plan for be positive. Kiss out my big goal, you know, so sometimes I'm gonna make me lock my foot. Sometimes I'm gonna make me stop sell crutches, you know. Own up on this, I'm gonna make me stop sell crutches. Miss Blinga, me just say you really and truly know say TikTok police no why you. So why when me did talk say the little boy no why from in the blanket? There's the little boy now want you from in the blanket. Why when me talk so? You have a problem. Me say one time when I take them little boy where happy go lucky, happy feet when I take you know. A happy feet. Them don't know them head from them foot. Ask them which part them mole, them are gonna tell us that you know them foot bottom. Ask them which part them sole, them are gonna tell us that you know them head top. Me not to lie them people that change. Eh? It's an embarrassment for true. I know you combo, you deal with positivity. I know it is so amazing to me. It's not amazing, you know, but it's just amazing. You get what I say? More embarrassing. It's the fact that a big overgrown, stinking old girl, not have no shame. See so na dog vomit. Exactly. Una dog vomit. Share my good ass. Una dog vomit. No laugh, Lily. Lily don't laugh. Dog vomit them. And then you come at about TikTok police and I were no longer together. It was all a prank. It was all a prank. Move from here so with the disappointment and your heartbreak. Move from here so that attend to your kids. If you did pay your mind to your picnic them, you wouldn't be disappointed. Yeah, what is man that those should be mindful of? The Bible tell you, man a disappointment, man a failure. You not read in the Bible what kind of positivity you could have bring to the net now when it's a Obia man was your pastor. Eh? Remember say you're Christian and the Obia, you know, Mr. Blinga. What kind of positivity you come with now? Move and go rest the pot when they between your foot. As big as the cocky is and young it now want you. Them say your garden style hard. Move, nothing good can come from underneath your bling blang. Nothing good. Nothing good can come from underneath your big hole. Them say your hole remind them of Rosalie Gully we run behind your yard. Nothing but your hole face reality. You're mad? Nobody no want to know. Una invest in the wrong bank. Una take some cash plus body. Yeah? Some cash plus cocky una take. You remember cash plus and loom? Eh? Everything crash. All the excitement crash. And yeah, come shame. Yeah, come but TikTok, well, it was a prank and my husband is going to beat me. Bling a false teeth you have in, you can't take no more lick. Adventures you wear. You know you can't even bite dumpling good, you just swallow your teeth.